Okay, so welcome to the MyStudiyo video tutorial. First thing you're going to do is go to www.mystudiyo.com as spelled here. And when you get there, you're going to click on sign up here. First you need to sign up for an account. So it's going to say you're not registered, join now. You're going to click join now. And you're going to fill out this quick form and you're going to click register. Once you are registered, you sign in. And once you sign in, you'll go down here to this button, Create a Quiz. Click Create a Quiz. And you have a couple options. You can do a multiple choice quiz, or you can do what's called a How X Are You? And in this case, I'm going to choose to create a multiple choice quiz. So I click over here. And now this convenient wizard loads to step me through the creation of my quiz. First thing I get to do is choose a design. And you can simply click through these designs and click preview to see how this will look. Alright, and if you like this, I'm going to click close. And then you'll notice there's advanced options. Click here to add your logo. You can actually add your own logo to the design of your quiz. Okay, I'm going to click next. And now I get to name my quiz. So I'm going to call this Web 2.0 Quiz. And I can give it a category and even a subcategory. And then down here, add introduction media, which is optional. But you got to do this. I'm going to add an image, so I'm going to click Image. And I'm going to go down here and click Browse. Browse my computer, click an image, click Submit, and there's my image. Now I'm going to click Next, right? It's a wizard. And now I'm at the stage where I can add questions, but you'll notice the question settings. The default is to show your questions in order, but you can also choose to show your questions in random order. Sometimes you want them randomized. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in order, and now I'm going to click Add a Question. So here I write my first question, provide my answers. In this case, it's just yes or no, and then I need to choose the correct answer. And then we have the media, the optional media. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose an image. Again, we're just going to browse and add something there. And I will submit question below. So on the next screen, what I'm going to see here is a preview of my first question and the ability to add a second question. But you'll notice here, this is a good teachable moment because there's a little red X here showing that, you know what, this picture will not display. MyStudiyo doesn't take certain image formats. So I'm going to go in here and click Edit, and I'm going to go ahead and edit this question. And I'm going to choose a different image that I know will work with Studio. So I'm going to submit question again. And now I see the image down here. I know it's going to work. So I'm good to go there. Now I'm going to go to add a question. I'm going to add the second question, supply the answers, choose the correct answer, select my optional media, browse, and submit question. Now I see my second question down here. It looks good in the preview. And so you're going to repeat this process to add all of your questions. When you're finished, you're going to preview the quiz. You're going to click Preview Quiz here. And you can actually step through the quiz by clicking Start answering the questions, and make sure that it is functional and it's what you want. If you like it, you're going to go to Next here. And the final stage is choosing an ending. You have the default scoreboard ending provided by Studio, which provides a score and ranks you against other users. But you also have the option of choosing your own ending, DIY ending. Here you can specify the exact point total, and you can provide a title for that point total. You can also specify here what your users see when they're done with the quiz. And down here you can specify what happens when they're done with the quiz. You might want them to click a button that links to another web page, or you could have them click a link to submit an email or a link to submit text. So you have those do-it-yourself options. I'm going to go ahead and leave it to the default scoreboard, and then I'm going to click Next. Now here is where you share your quiz. Right here you have the website address of your quiz, and you can copy this and link it from your website. Or if you want to embed it in your website, which I highly recommend, down here it says embed/share quiz. You're going to click down here and copy this HTML code and paste it into your own website. And voila, the test will live on your website. I hope you enjoy using MyStudiyo. I know your students will love it. Go check it out now at mystudiyo.com.